Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold. Right in my pants, eh?
Hey Dad,
What?
what's this?
Well, you're both getting naked out here before you go in the house.
Oh, this is awesome.
What's this?
Oh,
What's this?
you didn't think I'd do that, did you?
No, I lied. Ready?
Yeah.
Daddy looks like the Michelin Man.
I hope I didn't break the seams anywhere. It held up pretty good.
Okay.
Oh.
Cute.